Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy meme coins on Moonshot with Robinhood. So it's easy to actually do that. It's easy to fund your account with Robinhood. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to make an account with Moonshot. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to head over to the Holdings tab, go ahead and click it, and then you're going to want to deposit money into Moonshot. Now, you could do this with many other payment processors, but if you're looking to actually do that with Robinhood, then you would just input the amount that you want to deposit and then click swipe to deposit. You're going to have to sign into your Robinhood, and basically when you do that, you're basically just going to get the deposit done in your Moonshot. And it actually works that Robinhood actually supplies you with the money into your Moonshot. So once you actually have that, you'll then be able to actually purchase any of the meme coins that you want to go ahead and buy. But that's how you pretty much do it, everybody. That's how you go ahead and buy meme coins on Moonshot with Robinhood. If you found this video informative, don't forget to leave a like, alright? But till then, I'll see you all for the next